I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integrations. Now search and select Trigger, which is Gravity from. Select a form. Click Next. Now search for Action Zoho Recruit. Select respective data center. Now for Client ID and Client Secret, please visit Zoho API Console. Click on Get Start. Choose Server-Based Applications. Give a name. Copy homepage URL and redirect URL from authorization page. And paste it here. Now click on Create. You can see Client ID and Client Secret. Copy this and paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Click on Accept. Authorized successfully done. Click on Next. Choose Module. Now map the fields. Here you can see some advanced options and conditional logic. As per your requirement, you can use this. Click on Next. Our integration successfully done. Click on Finish and Save. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. Form is successfully submitted. Let's go to Zoho Recruit. Candidates module. Reload this page. You can see data is created in Candidates module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.